Hi. In this video, we will learn about creating drop-down lists with data validation in Excel.
Sometimes you would have seen what is called drop-down lists used in Excel sheets. So basically here, this is a drop-down list. So this drop-down list has a list of items, and only these items I can enter into this data range. So here if I try to type something else, it doesn't allow me to enter values that are not on the list. So these drop-down lists are a way of data validation, where you can restrict the data that somebody can input into a cell range. So here we want to only allow these products to be entered under this product column. So to do that, what we need to do is first we need to select the range where we want to apply the data validation. And then we go to Data tab, and under Data Tools, there is Data Validation. So we click on Data Validation and again Data Validation. And then you get a pop-up window like this. So it's asking what is the data validation criteria I want to apply. So there's an option where you can enter basically any value. If you click down, you have some other options. You can restrict it to whole numbers, integers, decimals, lists, date, time, custom, even text length. So here we will select list as the data validation criteria because we want to give a list and restrict data entry to only items in the list. So I can click on that, and then it's asking for the source. That means where is the list of items located. So here I can go from here, select the items and come back and say OK. Now data validation has been applied to this range. So from here, I can only select or type what's in this list over here. So here, now I can select from here. Or if I want, I can sometimes type as well. And then from there, I can select what I want. So data validation using drop-down list is an easy way for you to restrict data entry into Excel sheets.
Thanks for watching.